Ever clicked on a website, waited, then gave up? Yeah, us too. But good news, Shopify stores are getting a big speed boost in 2025 and your customers are going to love it. Let's break down why your store will be faster than ever. Reason 1: Better code, cleaner design. Shopify has improved its platform with cleaner, faster code. That means page load quicker, especially on mobiles. It's like your website drank an energy drink and finally showed up to work on time. Reason 2: Built for mobile. Most shoppers are on their phones. In 2025, Shopify is focusing on mobile first speed, so your store load fast even on slower networks. Because if it takes more than 3 seconds to load, your customer is already watching cat videos. Reason 3: Global speed thanks to better hosting. Shopify is using smarter servers and CDNs around the world. So no matter where your customer lives, your store loads fast for them too. Even someone shopping in a jungle with Wi-Fi, of course, will get a quick experience. Reason for lighter themes and smarter apps. Shopify's new 2025 themes are built for speed, and they are cutting down on heavy apps that slow down your site today. Think of it like your store went on a digital night: less junk, more zoom. Automatic performance help. Shopify now gives real-time tips to help you make your store even faster. No coding needed, just simple steps to keep your site smooth. It's like having a tech wizard in your dashboard without the weird Rube and stuff. So in 2025, Shopify isn't just about beautiful stores. It's about fast ones too and speed. More sales, better SEO and happy customers.